Hello, teacher. My name is Jonathan Orlando. I am single. I am from Bogota. I am 35 years old. I am system technician, computer repair, and in student system engineering at UNAD. In my free time, I like to watch TV, listen to music, play chess, or sometimes I prefer to be with my family. I live in Bogota. It is a tourist city. There are some well-known places and we can visit the Montserrat Hill, the Botanical Garden. Thanks. See you later.